Hey guys, this is Stella, and yeah, she looks kind of a bit like Indy, which is my high school teacher's dog. But this is Stella, and Indy's a girl, so yeah, I don't know why I'm explaining it, but though so yeah, yeah, she's very cute, and she loves balls. She chases sticks, but she doesn't bring them back. Yeah, a bit different. She's more into balls, just like my dog Toby. Yeah. That's good. Alright, I'm gonna show you that she's very fast, just like Toby. Ready, Stella? Go get it! Whoa, she's very fast. Don't know if you can see the ball. Good girl. Oh, you want to go again? Okay. You're very look a little silly there, don't ya? Ready? Ready? Go! Cute. Go. Yeah. Whoa, that went far.